This is how to use the email action from the PatientXpress dashboard. First, click on the patient's appointment and the patient's profile will appear. Select the consent forms by clicking on the third button from the right. Then select the consent forms you need. You can choose one or more forms. Next, select Email as the action and fill in the form information. Then click Submit. A notification will appear when the forms are attached successfully. The forms will automatically be sent via email to the patient. They should open the email and click on the link provided to access the forms. The patient will then fill out the forms electronically and submit them. A thank you message will appear when submitted. Now staff members can view the forms in the imaging module. This notification will show when the forms were completed. Thank you for watching.